Hello and welcome to Infinite Speak. I'm Shivam Gupta and today we are going to talk regarding chapter 3 Hello World. Let's begin the lesson. So this is the Eclipse window on my laptop and I will be using this to write my Java programs throughout the series of lectures that we are covering. You can also download it from the link that I have mentioned on my post O2O Introduction to Java. Please do download it because we are going to use it for writing codes. So let us see the Hello World code. This is the Hello World code that I have written. I've already written it, so I'm just going to explain you code line by line. So let's see the first line. The first line is a comment, and this is a way of multi-line commenting, and over here this is the way of single line commenting. You can observe it that the way of commenting is just similar to that we used to do in C. In the topmost comment over here written, we generally write what is our program all about, and also mention the author, date, etc, etc. So let us move to the next line, that is package pack 1 semicolon over here. So what is a package? A Java package is a mechanism for organizing Java classes into namespace similar to the modules of Modula. That is, in simple language, you can say that a package is a grouping of related types providing access, protection, and namespace management. So let us see the next line, that is public class hello over here. So let us see what the public class word means over here. Public keyword is just an access specifier which allows the programmer to control the visibility of class members. When a class member is preceded by public, then that member may be accessed by code outside the class in which it is declared. The opposite of public is private, which prevents a member from being used by the code defined outside of its class. Just the opposite. So after seeing public, let us see why this class keyword is used over here. This class keyword. The keyword class is used to declare that a new class is being defined. Here, the hello written over here is an identifier. That is, it is the name of the class. All the data in the method of this class will be written within a pair of curly braces. The opening curly brace over here and the closing one over there. Let us see the next line. Public static void main opening parenthesis string, a pair of rectangular braces args, and a closing parenthesis. So what is it? A public keyword means the same as earlier discussed. Next appears the keyword static, which declares this method as one of that belongs to the entire class and not a part of any object of the class. The main must always be declared as static, since the interpreter uses this method before any objects are created. More about these keywords in detail will be discussed later. The type of modifier void states that the main method does not return any value. In main, there is only one parameter, that is string, a pair of rectangular braces args. That's it. This declares a parameter named args, which is an array of instances of the class string. Array is nothing but a collection of similar objects. Objects of type string store character strings. In this case, args receives any command line arguments present when the program is executed. So let us now move to the main code. So we have in the main code the first line system.out.print opening parenthesis, then hello and closing parenthesis and semicolon. Let us now analyze this line word by word. The line begins with system.out. It is too complicated to explain at this level, so let us just take a brief look over here. System is a predefined class and it is used to access the system, and out is just the output stream that is connected to the console. So this whole statement is just asking the system to print the string hello on the output window, that is console. Okay, so let us now move forward. The difference between this line and the next line, that is system.out.println, and opening parenthesis, word, closing parenthesis, and semicolon is the words print and println. Okay, so let's see what's the difference between these two words. The difference between the words print and println is that in println the cursor moves or goes to the next line of the string in which it is passed, whereas in the print the cursor do not moves to the other line. Instead of that, it just present after the string which is passed in it in the same line. So now we can just run the code and see the result. Here is the button that will run this program hello, and we clicked it. So you can see that in the output we get hello world. So this code is correct without any error. If there's going to be any error, it's going to be shown over here in this window, console window. Okay, so let us just add one more print statement after world to see the difference, and also add the same after hello, so we can just analyze what is the difference between print and println. So it is system dot out dot println, and we are going to write just 2 plus 3. Okay, and another line after world, that will be system dot out dot print ln, and similar 2 plus 3 and semicolon. So just control plus S to save it, and again we're going to run it. So you can see over here hello and 5 on the same line, because hello is passed in print, and after that the cursor will be present over here, and then we have passed 2 plus 3 in println. So 5 will be printed over here, and the cursor after the 5 will go downwards, and that's why the word is on the next line. And as word is also passed in println, so then the cursor will be over here and it will go into next line, and after that the system.out.println 2 plus 3, the last line, will be going to print the 5 on the last. Just make a note of that all the statements in Java ends with a semicolon. The reason that the other line in the program do not end in the semicolon is that they're not technically statements. Okay, so that's all for today, and let's see you in the next.